Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lennon Zubin Miftah. You can call me Lennon. I am going to tell you a wonderful folklore. The clever deer and the magical tree. This story teaches us about honesty and responsibility. Upon a time in a peaceful forest, there lived a clever little deer. He was smart but also a bit arrogant. Every day he liked to trick other animals just to get more food. One sunny afternoon, the deer saw a black crow crushing a shiny golden fruit. The fruit location so beautiful under the sunlight. Her crow, "What kind of fruit is that?" asked the deer curiously. "This is a fruit from the magical tree," answered the crow. "They say wherever it will receive great luck." The trick, the deer eyes sparkled with greed. He wanted the fruit so badly, so he came up with a clever plan. "Oh, crow," said the deer sweetly, "I heard you have the most beautiful voice in the forest. Can you sing for me?" The crow, feeling proud, opened his beak and started to sing. At that very moment, plop, the golden fruit fell to the ground. The deer, it ran away lunging. But as soon as the deer looked a bit, his body began to shine brightly. In the blink of an eye, he disappeared and reappeared under a giant glowing tree, the magical tree itself. Always all awe appeared and said, "Clever deer, you have taken something that does not belong to you. This tree only belongs to who are honest." The deer fell as Hamed. The deer fell, lowered his head and said, "I'm sorry with all. I was greedy and selfish. Promises I will never trick anyone again." Three, the awesome Samla, the the wall, the all smile and replied, "If you truly mean it, take one fruit, not for life, but to remind you to always be honest." The deer took the fruit and ate it slowly. Suddenly, the light around him faded, and he found himself back in the forest, feeling peaceful and grateful. From that day on, the deer changed in ways. He became a kind and honest animal who helped his friend instead of tricking them. Moral of the story: honesty in the real magical tree in it give peace and happiness to those who keep it alive in their heart. Thank you.